Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ah and ow. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word shot. 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 Now the ow sound in the word shout. 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 Now I will use them both in a sentence. I heard a shout followed by a shot. I heard a shout followed by a shot. I heard a shout followed by a shot. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!